Let's clean this beautiful fish here. It's very fresh. It's called here in Italy orata. It's bream in English. There it is, one fillet. There's another one on the other side. Let's have a look. And there it is, 2 fillet from one fish. I'm sure you know the name of this big citrus fruit. I'm peeling it like mandarin or tangerine. Oh, wonderful. I can't tell you how many citrus trees I climbed when I was agile. Removing the inner layer of skin, I would call it skin. Oh yes, I got it. Let's do the fennel. Using mandolin for really thin slices. Drop of lemon juice is to stop it from turning brown. Capers. Pitted olives. Pomelo and fennel salad. Lemon, garlic and olive oil dressing. Grilling fish. You can use any flakes or any kind of fish you have around. Very quick to cook. Pomelo on grilled fish.